Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing something different. I am going to show you 13 hairstyles for back to school, whether you're in college or if you're a mom, you just want a really quick and easy hairstyle. I have 13 options. So without further ado, let's begin. The first hairstyle is a simple half up, half down. So first you are going to take a section of hair at the crown of your head and you're just going to secure this with a hair tie. I recommend like one of these small hair ties. I will link them on the video, and you're going to do a small fan bun, which is just what you guys can see here. And then you're also going to stretch out the bun and just make it look fluffy and fuller. I just like to do it because I feel like it makes the hairstyle look cute. And then I just pull some pieces at the top to fluff out the little bun thing that we have going on. So then you're going to take sections from each side of your hair, I guess, and you're going to secure them together. And then you're going to do a Topsy tail. I believe that's what that is called. Then you're just going to fluff it out, stretch it out just like you did with the fan bun. And then you are going to twist it around and secure the bun within that section. I apologize if I am not good at describing what is going on here, but I love this hairstyle so much. It is so easy and I just feel like it looks really cute and effortless, and it's perfect for back to school or just any situation. So this next hairstyle is a simple way to spice up your ponytail. So first you're going to take a section of hair, and this is just going to be a half up section, and you are going to secure it into a ponytail. You can fluff out the base of the ponytail just to make it look fuller, and then you're going to take the bottom pieces of hair and you're going to split them in two, and you're going to bring them up at the base of the ponytail. And then I like to tie them in just a regular knot because I feel like it just makes it more secure and it makes it look cuter. And then you're going to take another hair tie, preferably a small hair tie, and you're going to secure that below the base of the ponytail. Then you're just going to take a bobby pin and you are going to secure that again at the base of the ponytail just so it doesn't come undone. And then you can fluff it out, brush out your hair, and that is the super simple way to spice up a ponytail. So this hairstyle is a really easy low bun hairstyle. So the first thing that you're going to do is you are going to put your hair in a low fan bun with the non-fan part, like with the loose hair, coming out at the bottom of the bun. Okay, and then you're just gonna fluff out the base of the bun and whatever just to make it look a lot more full. And then you are going to take those two sections of hair and you're gonna tie it in a knot above the fan bun and then bring them back down and secure it with a small hair tie. And then just to get that little section there at the end, like what you just secured with the hair tie, out of the way, you can just like flip it up within the bun. You can also use a bobby pin and it will stay in place. And that is the super, super cute low bun hairstyle. Next, we have another bun. This is a messy bun, and I quickly want to give you guys a tip. So I feel like everyone does messy buns at the top of their head, but I feel like a messy bun looks 10 times cuter if you do it like at the back of your head. So not at the very top, but just at the back, how I'm doing it in this video. So the first thing that you're going to do is gather all of your hair, and you can do this wherever you want on your head. I like to do it on the back of my head, and then you're going to split the hair in two. Then you're going to take another hair tie. You're basically going to fold each section and then secure the hair tie around the base of that. And then you're going to take the two loose pieces of hair and twist them and then wrap them around the base of the bun. Then you are going to take a small hair tie, just tie those ends together, tuck it in, loosen up your hair if you want it to look a little bit more loose or messier, and that is the messy bun, and it is so cute. I absolutely love this. This was actually my first time doing this hairstyle and I am obsessed. So the next hairstyle is another half up, half down. This one is so cute. It is a little bit more tricky than the other half up, half down hairstyle that I did. So the first thing you're gonna do is take a half up section of hair. You are going to clip down the other parts of your hair that are not in a ponytail, because that just makes it a lot easier to do this hairstyle. So then you're gonna take a hair tie. You're gonna wrap it around the half up, half down ponytail once, and then you're gonna wrap it around again. And the second time you wrap it around, you are going to create a small fan bun. Then you're going to take the hair tie again and twist it, and then create another fan bun with the loose ends of hair. And so it's kind of going to look like an hourglass, and then you just have like the extra ends of hair at the bottom. This looks super cute if you have the ends of your hair curled, or if you just like have curly hair or wavy hair in general. I love this hairstyle. This is definitely one of my favorites. The next two hairstyles are claw clip hairstyles. The first one is the traditional French twist with a claw clip. This one is so easy once you get it down. It's gonna take a few times to practice, but once you figure out how to do it, it is incredibly easy and it is super cute. So this next claw clip hairstyle is basically just wrapping your hair around the claw clip, just around one side of the claw clip, and then you just secure it at the back of your head, and that's it. It is super easy and super cute. So this hairstyle is another half up, half down. You're just gonna take half up section of hair and you are going to twist it around. So twist the actual section of hair and then twist that into a bun, then secure it with a hair tie. It's okay if you have any loose pieces. I think it actually looks cuter that way. And then you are just going to take a small section of hair next to the bun, like a small section of loose hair, and then you're just going to braid that, secure it with a small hair tie, and that is the hairstyle. So this next hairstyle is another half up, half down, and you are going to use butterfly clips or like those really small clips. They're like mini claw clips. I will link them on the video. So basically what you're going to do is take a half up section of hair and put it into a ponytail. Then you are going to split that ponytail in two. Basically, you are going to take the first half of the ponytail and you're gonna put your finger at the center, fold the hair over your finger, and then twist your finger. It's basically like making a French twist, but you're gonna make it more of like a mini bun shape. Does that make sense? And then you are going to use the small clip and you're going to clip it down. This I feel like is very, I don't know if you would call it Y2K or 90s, but either way it is super cute, incredibly easy, and I don't know, I love this one. So this next hairstyle is a way to spice up your ponytail once again. What you're gonna do is take two small sections of hair from your hairline, like at your temples, and then you're gonna bring both of those sections back and secure it with a small hair tie. Then you're gonna flip that so that it turns into a Topsy tail, and then you can hold the base of the Topsy tail with one hand, and then with the other you can just fluff out the Topsy tail by just pulling small pieces of hair. Don't pull them too much, just enough to like fluff it up and just not make it look so flat against your head. You want to give it a little bit of volume. And then you are going to take another section of hair, the same exact type of section, one from each side, directly underneath where you grabbed the other sections of hair. And you're going to do the same exact thing, bring them together in the back, secure them with a hair tie, do a Topsy tail, fluff them out, and then you can just keep doing that with small sections of hair until you get to the sides of the very bottom of your hairline. You're going to gather more hair, one from each side, and then you're just going to wrap that around the base of the little ponytail thing that you have going on. So that is what I did with this hairstyle. It came out really cute. I definitely feel like this is for like a dressier occasion. If you dress preppy or if you go to a private school where you have to wear a uniform, I feel like this hairstyle would be really cute. This is a classic ponytail hairstyle. I feel like this one is all over TikTok and Instagram, but I wanted to include it in this video because it is so cute. It is so versatile and you can like wear it to any occasion or school, whatever. So basically what you're gonna do is you are gonna take 2 sections of hair from both sides of your head and you are just going to leave them out while you do the next step, which is to make a low ponytail with the hair at the center. And then you're going to take those 2 sections of hair and bring them together with a small hair tie. And then once that is tied, you are going to pull that out a little bit so that you can like stretch it and then twist it sideways. And then basically you are going to pull the ponytail through the hole that you just created. So it kind of gives the illusion that your hair is like, you know, the hair tie when it's really not the hair tie. Your hair is being held together by an actual hair tie, but it looks like it's being held together by your hair and it is super cute. This one I feel like is especially cute if you have curly hair or wavy hair, even if like you're having an oily hair day, just like a bad hair day, this hairstyle will come in handy. It is super cute and easy to do. So the last hairstyle is just a really easy way to spice up a braid. So what you're gonna do is divide your hair into 3 sections. You're gonna have 2 small sections on the sides and then 1 bigger section in the center. Then you are going to gather your hair in the center and do like a braid, just like a long braid. You don't have to do any sort of like French braid or anything. Just start braiding right at the nape of your neck. I like to go down about 70% just because I feel like it looks really cute when the braid is a lot looser and not so tight. So then I take 1 side of hair and I wrap it around the base of the braid. And then I take another section of hair and I wrap that around the base of the braid. And then I brought them around again and I tied them together. Once they were tied together, I brought that around to the base of the ponytail again. And then I just tied that together with a small hair tie. This gives the illusion that like your hair is holding the braid together. It's super cute. I love it. It's like a very boho hairstyle. Great for like any time of year, particularly good if you have long hair, but this would also work for those with medium length hair. So this has been all of my hairstyle ideas. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this, and I will talk to you guys next time.